I'm just in my backyard. Today's Saturday, February the 4th, and it is a gorgeous 2 degrees out here. I believe that would be around 36 degrees Fahrenheit, somewhere in there, give or take. I'm just taking a coffee break, and I went in the house and got some tools, and I just had to bring the camera out because this is just unbelievable out here today. I'm in southwestern Ontario, near Lake Erie. Just can't believe the weather. So being that today is such a gorgeous day, I could be doing just about anything. I've got so many projects that I'd like to do, and I guess what I'm doing today is puttering. These girls at work, that's what they call it. I could be working on this thing. I wish I could. Back in the fall, these stairs were starting to come apart, so I rebuilt them. I built them pretty much the same as they were. I just haven't finished the ends of them. Right there. And that whole piece needed to be replaced already. Had to piece it in when I added those stairs there. So here's my new pieces. I didn't get that part on video, but when I went to set it down, it snapped right in half. Guess that needed to be replaced, huh? So I've got a little short piece on that side, and got that long one all done. Looks better already. Another thing I wanted to do was vacuum out my truck, and I decided I better stop and do something else first. This is really annoying. So I'm going to attempt to pop this out without breaking anything and spray it up with some release all. So the trick to this is push inward and pull out. I'm going to pull the seatbelt out all the way in case I get some on the seatbelt, and it'll be just on the inside part that never gets used. No more squeak. Wow. So this is still February 4th, and we're at Lake Erie, Port Bruce Beach. Any idea what they're doing here with that? Oh, they gotta dig it deeper again.